Hey guys, welcome to a new video by TechnoGreatGameGod, and in this video I will be teaching you guys a new module in Python, the calendar module. So in this video I will be teaching you guys how to use the calendar module in Python to display the calendar of any month, any year. Alright, so it's going to be really useful. All you can do is run this program whenever you want to check on a date. Alright, so before that I will encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates about my videos, and please give this video a like, a nice like. Alright, so let me just import our new champion module here, the calendar module. Alright, and after that I will be asking two input from the user, the year and the month. Alright, so I want two variables for the year and the month to be entered by the user. So whatever year you want and whatever month of the year you want. So year is gonna be equal to a integer, whatever year the user wants. So input a special word, and I'm gonna ask the user to enter the year. Okay, and similarly another input for the month with enter the month. So 4 digits for the year and 1 or 2 digits for the month. Okay, so now that I've taken the user inputs, I am going to print the calendar for that specific month. Alright, so I am going to call out the calendar function, the module, dot month. So it will print the calendar for the selected month over there, and with two parameters over there, our year and our month. Alright, so we can run that and see if it is good. Okay, I'll just make that cal. Alright, so my year is gonna be 2020, this year over here, and the month is our present month, August. Superb, so this is August 2020. So alright, so 1 is a Wednesday, 2 is a Thursday. Okay, so something's really wrong. The indentation is not perfect over here. Alright, so this is our calendar program and it works nice. So we can just run that again for different years and we can see if it is good. Now I'll type 1998 and the month will be December. So the December is like that. So one thing guys, this is not properly indented, so Monday is not, it's not perfectly aligned over here. So you can just see that there are 6 over here and there are 7 days over here, so 1 should be a Tuesday. And over here there are 7, so 7 should be a Monday, and 18 should be a Friday, and 27 should be a Sunday, and finally 31 should be a Thursday, like that. Alright, so that is our calendar, and you should just tweak around in the options, configure idle, the text size and everything. You can just adjust that, then our calendar will be perfect looking. Alright, again. So you can just change the font and the text size. You can toggle around with that for everything to be perfectly aligned. Alright, so that is our calendar program, and you can run it again and again for any year you want. This time I'm going to go wild and go for some Shakespearean era. So I'm going to just type 1234, and our month is going to be Jan. Okay, so this was how it was. Alright, so guys, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Alright, so have a good day and goodbye.